Welcome to Dough. I'm Kristen Tomlin, the founder and CEO, and we specialize in all things edible cookie dough. And today we're going to be making a very special recipe from my new cookbook, Hello Cookie Dough. It is called a cinnamon roll worth fighting over. This is a recipe of my grandmother's. It is her famous cinnamon rolls that we literally were fighting over as kids. But I've put my cookie dough spin on it, added some cookie dough in the middle, and it's even more delicious than I remember as a child. First, you're going to start by making the yeasted cinnamon roll dough that we're going to use as the base of our cinnamon roll. Once the dough for the cinnamon rolls has proofed and it's risen, it's doubled in size, we're going to roll it out into a nice big rectangle, cover it with butter, sugar, and cinnamon, and then lots of pieces of cookie dough. Roll it all up, slice it into pieces, stick it in a pan. But you're going to leave a little bit of room around each one because they're going to rise for another hour and they're going to expand. So give them a little space. Wait 1 more hour for it to proof, and then it's ready for the oven. Then to top it all off, there's a really simple powdered sugar glaze that just gives it a nice little touch on top.